All right. Well, before I leave for the weekend, I do want to point out one thing that I just kind of noticed. Wasn't really looking for it, but then I saw the signal and decided to investigate it a little bit more. And back on Thursday, we made a high here at 28.85. All right, and we were right up here at the 61.8 again. We had this nice kind of support area, and we didn't break it, right? And I said back on Thursday or Friday, or even Monday of last week, that this was just like a little pullback here, right? We got the bearish divergence, but it might not go too far. And here we bounced off the 38. But what I noticed is we have a pretty glaring divergence off the last major high that we made on the daily. We've made a pretty glaring divergence off that high, right? And so we got a portion of the pullback. But what I found is interesting is I got that bearish signal on every time frame, which when you have everything line up like that, typically you get a larger move. So I just want to point it out there. There are no guarantees. We did bounce off this smaller 38 retracement. We could stay above here and go make new highs. My thought is that we potentially could pull back all the way to the 38 retracement to 26.30 that I've been talking about for a few days, and then bounce for a larger move. So just want to show you here, bearish divergence on the daily, okay? Bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Bearish divergence on the 1 hour. This is, I pulled it all the way back to last Thursday. Bullish divergence. 27-minute bullish divergence. 9-minute bullish divergence. So because of all of them lining up, that gives me a lot more faith that we are going to have a deeper pullback to at least that 26.30. So keep an eye on that into the beginning of next week. And obviously the globex session on Sunday night might give us a better idea of what's going to happen. You know, ultimately, if we are going to come down here, we're going to have to break these lows, right? So we have to see what happens if price gets back here. But I will get you another update on Monday morning, and we'll start fresh then. Have a good weekend.